In this video, we're going to learn about the 6 types of lessons you can create on the OnlineCourseHost.com platform, and I think you'll find them pretty flexible. The 6 types are videos, digital downloads, audios, rich text, quizzes, and assignment. First up, video lessons. Pretty straightforward, right? You can upload videos you've recorded yourself directly to the platform. Or if you prefer, you can embed links from YouTube, Vimeo, or use HTML codes from other video platforms. There's also this description box where you can add details about your video. And hey, if you don't like the thumbnail it automatically picks, you can upload your own or generate one with the AI image generator. Now let's talk about assignments. This is pretty cool, actually. It's like giving your students homework, but way more flexible. You can ask them questions, and they get to choose how they want to respond. They can submit as a document, PDF, Word, whatever works. Or hey, maybe they're feeling creative and want to submit a video instead. Some students prefer audio files, you know? The point is they have options. And here's the thing, you can include a template with your assignment. That way, you're basically telling them exactly what kind of files you want or how you want them to tackle the assignment. Makes it clearer for everyone. Once they submit, you've got this Manage Assignment screen. Pretty straightforward. You can approve it, reject it, or download the file to your computer. You can even email them directly from there to give feedback or share your thoughts about their work. Okay, moving on to digital downloads. This is where you can upload anything digital. PDF files, EPUB, doc files, audio, video, honestly, pretty much any digital file you can think of. You can sell these as part of a course or even as a standalone course. And just like with video lessons, there's a description box where you can add more details to really sell your digital download. Number 4, audio-only lessons. This one's exactly what it sounds like. It's just for audio content. So you're uploading MP3 or any audio-friendly format. And yep, it's got that description box too, just like the others. Then we have rich text lessons. This is your text-only option. You're basically typing out or copying and pasting your content. But here's where it gets interesting. Under the rich text, you can embed images. We've got AI that actually looks at what you've written and generates relevant images for you. Pretty neat, right? You can also embed video links and documents that your students can download and check out on their own time. And finally, we've got quizzes. Obviously, this is where you test what your students have learned. You've got 2 ways to do this. You can upload your own quiz with multiple choice answers, or, and this is where it gets really cool, you can let the AI automatically generate your quiz. It looks at your course content, the description you give, and the title of your quiz lesson, and creates all the questions and possible answers for you, plus the correct answers too. You can even set a passing grade for the quiz. So to wrap this up, you've got 6 different types of lessons on OnlineCourseHost.com. Video lessons, assignments, digital downloads, audio-only lessons, rich text, and quizzes. Here's something that ties it all together. Every single one of these lesson types comes with a description box. You can add details about whatever you've uploaded. And under that description box, there's an AI text corrector that's checking your spelling, your grammar, your sentence structure, basically making sure everything you write is polished and professional. It makes the whole course creation process so much smoother. All right, that's the rundown. See you in the next video and have fun creating your courses.